Best deals.
Product link is given in the description. Stitching machine allows for backwards stitching to reinforce seams or correct mistakes, provides versatile stitching options for different fabrics and designs efficient sewing. Offers the ability to add unique and intricate designs to any project, provides a wide range of stitching options for various sewing projects. Switching to pattern 6 will need more strength. Ensures durability and stability during use for long-lasting performance. For any further guidance. Adjustable straight stitch and reverse sewing, practical mini machine for mending, hemming and basic sewing. Choice of foot pedal or auto sewing mode. If it's not convenient to use the foot pedal, you can set the sewing speed to either H for high 380 plus 40 stitches per minute or L for low 330 plus minus 30 stitches per minute. Small and portable, runs on either AC/DC power. Adjust stitch length and width as per your convenience for customized stitch patterns. Firm grip teeth which helps in better feeding of cloth. Stitch on thick or thin multi-fold fabrics such as denim, soft leather, hosiery, silk, net, without a worry. Quickly thread your machine with ease. Simple one-step buttonhole for consistent results every time. Full metal frame for long-lasting durability. Stitch applications for basic, stretch and decorative stitches. Sew stitches in reverse, usually done to secure a seam at the beginning and end to prevent unraveling. The machine's interior frame is metal, providing long-lasting durability. Sewing machine's heavy-duty interior frame keeps all of the mechanics aligned for skip-free sewing. Built-in needle threader and light-width switch, drop feed for embroidery. Triple strength stitch. It has 21 stitch functions including stretch stitching, button fixing, rolled hemming, smocking, blind stitch hemming and zip fixing. Sewing machine for home tailoring features 12 built-in stitch patterns, straight line, decorative lines, blind hem lines, buttonholes to fulfill all your day-to-day requirement for stitching. With help of dual needle and dual thread function you can do double line stitching. Stitching machine comes with a reverse stitch function which allows for backwards stitching to reinforce seams or correct mistakes. It also comes with zigzag option which provides versatile stitching options for different fabrics and designs efficient sewing. You can also do embroidery patterns for your projects. Sewing machine for home comes with a heavy metal frame ensuring durability and stability during use for long-lasting performance. It comes with an inbuilt LED light so you can use it any time of day. Sewing machine for home tailoring comes with a speed adjustment of H high and L low to suit your comfort. It also has a hand wheel, which is advised to rotate first before starting off any kind of sewing project. It also has a thread tension controller. Stitching machines comes with a foot pedal. It is optional to use it. You can either control the speed with the foot pedal or you can choose between speed 1 or 2 as per your convenience. An electronic sewing machine is a type of sewing machine that is powered by an electric motor and incorporates electronic controls and features. Unlike mechanical sewing machines that rely on manual adjustments and controls, electronic machines use electronic components and circuits to automate and enhance the sewing process. Electronic sewing machines offer a range of features and functions that make sewing easier, more efficient, and more versatile. Some common features found in electronic sewing machines include stitch selection. Electronic machines typically have a wide variety of built-in stitches, including utility stitches, decorative stitches, and buttonhole stitches. These stitches can be selected using buttons or a digital display, allowing you to easily choose the desired stitch pattern. Stitch length and width adjustment. Electronic machines allow you to adjust the length and width of stitches according to your preferences and sewing requirements. These adjustments can often be made using buttons or a digital interface. Speed control. Electronic sewing machines usually offer adjustable speed control, allowing you to sew at a comfortable pace. This feature is particularly useful when working with delicate fabrics or intricate sewing projects. Needle position control. Many electronic machines enable you to control the needle position, allowing you to choose whether the needle stops in the up or down position. This feature is beneficial for tasks such as pivoting, applique work, or quilting. Automatic thread cutter. Electronic sewing machines often include an automatic thread cutter that trims the threads at the end of each seam. This saves time and eliminates the need for scissors or manual thread cutting. Built-in needle threader. Some electronic machines have a built-in needle threader, which assists in threading the needle quickly and easily. This feature is especially helpful for those with visual impairments or limited dexterity. Electronic sewing machines offer convenience, precision, and a wide range of options for various sewing projects. They are suitable for both beginners and experienced sewers, as they simplify complex tasks and provide more creative possibilities. Sewing machines have become an essential tool for both hobbyists and professionals in the art of sewing. One of the crucial components that power these machines is the clutch motor. The clutch motor provides the necessary force to drive the needle and other moving parts of the sewing machine. The various parts of a sewing machine clutch motor and their functions, shedding light on the inner workings of this integral component. At the heart of the clutch motor lies the clutch assembly. It consists of a clutch pulley, a clutch shoe, and a clutch spring. The clutch pulley connects to the motor shaft, transmitting power to the sewing machine. The clutch shoe engages with the pulley, allowing for the transfer of rotational motion. The clutch pulley is a key component responsible for driving the sewing machine. It is usually made of high-quality metal to withstand the constant rotation and pressure. The pulley attaches to the motor shaft and spins when the motor is activated. It transfers the power to the sewing machine by engaging with the clutch shoe. The clutch shoe is positioned opposite to the clutch pulley. It engages with the pulley to transmit the rotational motion. The shoe is typically made of durable material, such as leather or synthetic materials, that can withstand friction and heat. Its grip on the pulley can be adjusted to control the speed of the sewing machine. The clutch spring is a vital part of the clutch assembly, providing tension and allowing the clutch shoe to engage with the clutch pulley. It ensures that the clutch assembly maintains a firm grip on the pulley while still allowing for disengagement when required. The tension of the clutch spring can be adjusted to fine-tune the responsiveness and performance of the clutch motor. The motor housing is the protective casing that houses the clutch motor's internal components. It is typically made of sturdy metal or durable plastic. The housing not only provides physical protection but also acts as a shield against dust and debris, ensuring the longevity and smooth operation of the motor. Carbon brushes are responsible for conducting electrical current to the clutch motor. They are made of carbon or graphite, which are excellent conductors of electricity. The brushes come into contact with the motor's commutator, which allows the flow of electricity to power the motor. Over time, the brushes may wear down and require replacement to maintain optimal performance. A capacitor is an essential electrical component in the clutch motor assembly. It helps regulate the flow of electricity, ensuring a consistent and stable power supply. The capacitor stores electrical energy and releases it when necessary, providing an extra boost for starting the motor. A faulty capacitor can lead to motor malfunction or poor performance. Motor bearings play a crucial role in reducing friction and maintaining smooth operation. They are typically made of high-quality steel or ceramic and are positioned within the motor housing. The bearings allow the motor shaft to rotate freely, minimizing wear and tear and extending the motor's lifespan. Mounting brackets are used to secure the clutch motor to the sewing machine's frame or table. They provide stability and support, preventing excessive vibration or movement during operation. Thanks for watching.